Hey everyone, welcome back to Sita and Sitara. I'm back with another recipe. Today we are going to prepare a classic French toast, which is one of the easiest breakfast recipes, and you need very few ingredients for this recipe and everything from your kitchen. And people do use white bread for this recipe, but I am not going to use white bread for any of my recipes. I'm going to use the wholemeal bread for this recipe as well. It's going to be mild sweet, so kids are going to love. And before going to the recipe, if you have any particular recipes that you want me to do, you're welcome to post in the comment section. I'll be happy to receive. Let's see the preparation of this simple classic French toast.